Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that's whether or not Ally Bank sends emails. Now, before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about why this question is important. Ally Bank is a popular online bank, and many people are considering switching to them from their traditional bank. One of the concerns that people have is whether or not they will be able to stay connected to their account and get the information they need without having to go into a physical branch. So, does Ally Bank send emails? The answer is yes. In fact, Ally Bank sends out a lot of emails. They send you emails to let you know about important activity on your account, such as when your balance changes, when you make a transaction, or when your interest rate changes. They also send you emails to remind you about important deadlines, such as when your credit card payment is due. In addition to the emails that Ally Bank sends you automatically, you can also sign up for email alerts. This will allow you to receive even more information about your account, such as when your account balance falls below a certain threshold or when your credit score changes. So, if you're thinking about switching to Ally Bank, you can rest assured that you will still be able to stay connected to your account and get the information you need. In fact, you may even find that you get more information than you did with your old bank. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of using Ally Bank. One of the biggest benefits is that Ally Bank is free to join and use. There are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. This makes Ally Bank a great option for people who are looking to save money on their banking costs. Another benefit of Ally Bank is that they offer a wide range of products and services. They have checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, credit cards, and even investment options. This means that you can find an Ally Bank product that meets your needs, no matter what your financial goals are. Finally, Ally Bank is a very customer-friendly bank. They have a great customer service team that is always available to help you with any questions or problems you may have. They also have a number of online resources that you can use to learn more about their products and services. So, if you're looking for a bank that is both affordable and convenient, Ally Bank is a great option. And don't forget, they do send emails. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.